In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get traction on Pumpfun. If you want your token to stand out on Pump.fun, it helps to understand the bigger picture first. The platform is highly competitive, with a huge number of tokens launching every single day. Because of that, getting attention is not just about creating a token and hoping people find it. It usually comes down to a combination of strong branding, smart trading activity, and active community building around your launch. The first thing to know is what success on Pump.fun typically looks like. In many cases, your goal is to reach the trending tab, because that gives your token much more visibility and can attract additional buyers very quickly. Another major milestone is reaching the bonding curve target. That target is usually around the $69,000 to $90,000 market cap range, and hitting it is important because it allows your token to migrate onto the Radium decentralized exchange. That migration matters because it can give your token more legitimacy, more liquidity access, and a broader audience beyond the initial Pump.fun discovery phase. So when people talk about getting traction, they are often really talking about building enough momentum to push the token toward one of those two outcomes, getting featured through visibility or reaching the bonding curve milestone that moves it to the next stage. Now, in practical terms, this means your launch needs to be positioned for attention from the beginning. Viral branding plays a big role here. That includes having a concept that people immediately understand, a name that is memorable, and an overall presentation that feels easy to share. On a fast-moving platform like this, people make decisions quickly, so clarity and instant appeal matter a lot. Strategic trading is also part of the equation. Activity around a token can influence how much interest it attracts, and momentum tends to build when people see movement, engagement, and participation. At the same time, community building is what helps turn a short burst of attention into something more sustainable. If people are talking about the token, sharing it, and encouraging others to watch it, that social energy can be just as important as the chart itself. So before doing anything else, keep this framework in mind. Your objective is to create enough interest and momentum to either land on the trending tab or push your token to the bonding curve target. Everything revolves around visibility, credibility, and participation. When you understand that clearly, it becomes much easier to approach Pump.fun with the right expectations and a better strategy for gaining real traction.